Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Watch Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up another screen protector for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. This time, I got one of my favorite screen protectors to use all the time. It's the Spigen GlasTR Easy Fit screen protector. This screen protector should be easy to install because it has the little install kit there, and it should make it pretty simple to do. We'll go ahead and install it. I'll go over a few things, make sure everything looks good, and we'll just get into it. You can pick this up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. That way you can pick it up if you want to. If you haven't used a GlasTR or a screen protector from Spigen before, go pick one up for the phone that you have, because it is one of the best screen protectors out there and the easiest to install. But this is the packaging. Pretty simple. It is a two-piece. You get two of them. So it has some instructions there. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Then you have a cleaning kit, probably with some wipes, a cloth. You also have some more instructions, a little squeegee. I don't know what this is for, but we'll figure it out. And then you have your screen protectors here. So let's go ahead and see what we need to do. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is take off your watch band. So we're going to do that real quick. So I removed your watch band. The other thing I did was turn it off. So you have this little pad here, and you can put your watch face on there so that way it doesn't move around or get scratched up. Then what you want to do is, I almost forgot to clean it. You want to clean the watch face. I mean the watch itself, the watch body, not the face. I guess I could say watch screen, display. You have a lot of wipes here for such a small display, but just wipe it. If you have any fingerprints or oil, get that all off. Take your cloth, wipe that off. Then you want to take your dust remover. Again, just like the phone, if you can do this at nighttime, the better it is. If you can do it in a room that's not as dusty, again, you're better off. So you just remove the dust. All right, so the next thing, you want to just remove the back part of it. Kind of do that upside down though, again. And then you just want to kind of place that on there like that. And what you're going to do is press this. And that should release the screen protector. It says peel from here. So I'm going to peel from there. Take it off. Then the last thing is remove this little piece here. I do have a bubble. And what you can do is just work the bubble out. And voila. You have a screen protector. Oh man, that fits really good. That goes all the way around too. And it's centered on there too. So, you just take this off. I just want to see this touch sensitivity on here. And it's so simple to use too, so easy to install. That's why they call it the Easy Fit. Yeah, so you can use your buttons. Again, if you don't have your touch sensitivity turned on, make sure you do that in your settings too. You just go to settings. It's still trying to connect to my watch. Go to display, I believe, and then all the way down to touch sensitivity, turn that on. So yeah, this is the Easy Fit GlasTR screen protector from Spigen, and man, I like this one too. So if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. That way you can go ahead and get it from Amazon and use it. There's other ones on there that I review, but it's that one there. Just look in the description, the links will be there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.